Hell laying beside Adam and Eve on the sidewalk. The homeless person said they don't want to approach him.
Adam and Eve?
Yeah.
Which way you want?
I straight. You can turn left. We'll go across the curb.